A very good morning to everyone. We, the members of Twinkling Stars from Pailan World School, will feature a short program on Gandhiji, remembering his birth anniversary. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, Gujarat, and passed away on 30th January 1948. His parents were Karamchand Gandhi and Putlibai Gandhi.
The life story of Gandhiji is full of courage, determination, and religious willpower. He motivated masses and stood up against all discrimination. With his concepts that are the pillar of his philosophy, Satyagraha and Ahimsa.
Gandhiji shaped our independence through the initiation of several freedom movements like the Khilafat movement, Non-Cooperation movement, Champaran movement, Quit India movement, the Salt March movement, or the Dandi March movement. Today, Twinkling Stars of Pailan World School will highlight and showcase different phases of the great Dandi March movement led by Bapuji.
We will start our program with little members of Twinkling Stars. They will recite a short and sweet Hindi poem on Bapuji.
सच्चाई को लेके शस्त्र अहिंसा का ले अस्त्र, दुश्मन से प्यार किया, मानव पर उपकार किया। तूने अपना देश बचाया, गोरों को था दूर भगाया। गांधी करते तुझे नमन, तुझे चढ़ाते प्रेम सुमन।
Dandi March had started from the Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat, also known as Salt Satyagraha, on 12th March 1930. We will now see few glimpses of the Sabarmati Ashram and Bapuji's birthplace at Porbandar, also known as Kirti Mandir.
In recognition of the significant influence that Dandi March had on the Indian independence movement, the Indian government has established the Sabarmati Ashram as a national monument. The ashram now has a museum known as Gandhi Smarak Shankaralaya. The museum features photo enlargement of some of the most vivid and historic events of Gandhiji's life. It has Gandhiji's charka, table, his turpal and spectacles, the artifacts used by Mahatma Gandhi and his wife Kasturba Gandhi. It was also in his own handwriting, God is Truth, written in 1927. Likewise, his birthplace, known as Kirti Mandir at Porbandar, Gujarat, has also become a tourist spot in his memories. A peaceful march, a handful of sea salt, turned out to be the most powerful national movement in the history of India. Now we will watch the original video clip of Dandi March published by PIB India.
The civil disobedience movement was launched by Gandhiji. It was a form of non-cooperation involving the breaking of government law. Gandhiji set out from Sabarmati Ashram at 6:30 am in the morning with 78 followers on a 385-kilometer journey to the coastal village of Dandi. Thousands of people joined him on the way. He led the Salt March to Dandi from 12th March to 6th April to make salt himself with the declared intention of breaking the salt laws. The march took 25 days to cover 240 miles, with Gandhiji speaking to huge crowds and often singing Raghupati Raghav Rajaram. On his arrival in Dandi, he picked up a handful of salt from the beach. It was a signal for every Indian to violate the salt law in a non-violent manner.
Now, we will come to the end of our program with the song which was created by Mahatma Gandhi and was sung by him and his followers as they walked 240 miles Salt March to Dandi.
रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम, सीताराम सीताराम, भज प्यारे तू सीताराम। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। ईश्वर अल्लाह तेरो नाम, सबको सन्मति दे भगवान। रघुपति राघव राजा राम, पतित पावन सीताराम। आदरणीय अध्यापकों और मेरे प्रिय मित्रों, नमस्ते। राष्ट्रपिता गांधी जी का जन्मदिन 2 अक्टूबर भारत में मनाया जाने वाला एक राष्ट्रीय त्योहार है। उनकी देश को आजादी दिलाने में अहम भूमिका को सम्मान देने के लिए प्रतिवर्ष गांधी जयंती मनाई जाती है, लेकिन सिर्फ याद करके हम उन्हें सम्मान नहीं दे रहे हैं। हमें उनके गुणों को अपनाना होगा और अपने आने वाली युवा पीढ़ी को उनसे अवगत करना होगा। आज से सत्य और अहिंसा का पालन करने का प्रण लेना होगा। यही बापू के लिए सच्ची श्रद्धांजलि होगी। धन्यवाद।
बापू को स्मरण करते हुए मैं एक कविता सुनाने वाला हूँ। माँ खादी का कुर्ता दे दे, मैं गांधी बन जाऊंगा। सब मित्रों के बीच बैठकर रघुपति राघव गाऊंगा। निकर नहीं धोती पहनूंगा, खादी की चादर ओढ़ूंगा। घड़ी कमर में लटकाऊंगा, सैर सवेरे कराऊंगा। माँ खादी की धोती दे दे, मैं गांधी बन जाऊंगा। आज्ञा तेरी मैं मानूंगा, सेवा का प्रण मैं ठानूंगा। मैं बकरी का दूध पीऊंगा, जूता अपना आप सिऊंगा। मुझे रुई की बूनी दे दे, चरखा को चलाऊंगा। माँ खादी की चादर दे दे, मैं गांधी बन जाऊंगा। गांव में मैं सेवा दूंगा, काम देश का सदा करूंगा। सदा हंस हंस बात करूंगा, क्रोध किसी पर नहीं करूंगा। सच्चाई और अहिंसा का पाठ मैं पढ़ाऊंगा।
गांधी जी के 3 बंदर नटखट प्यारे और सुंदर। गांधी जी के 3 बंदर नटखट प्यारे और सुंदर। करते ये बातें बुद्धिमान, देते हैं सबको ज्ञान। करते ये बातें बुद्धिमान, देते हैं सबको ज्ञान। गांधी जी के 3 बंदर नटखट प्यारे और सुंदर। पहला कहता है कभी बुरा ना देखना। पहला कहता है कभी बुरा ना देखना। बुराई करने वालों को हमेशा रोकना। बुराई करने वालों को हमेशा रोकना। दूसरा कहता है कभी बुरा ना कहना। दूसरा कहता है कभी बुरा ना कहना। सच्ची बातों से सबका दिल जीतना। सच्ची बातों से सबका दिल जीतना। तीसरा कहता है कभी बुरा ना सुनना। तीसरा कहता है कभी बुरा ना सुनना। झूठ का साथ कभी ना देना। झूठ का साथ कभी ना देना। अच्छे काम हमेशा करना, दुनिया को खूबसूरत बनाना। अच्छे काम हमेशा करना, दुनिया को खूबसूरत बनाना। गांधी जी के बंदर जैसे अच्छे काम करेंगे, ना बुरा देखेंगे, ना बुरा कहेंगे। गांधी जी के बंदर जैसे अच्छे काम करेंगे, ना बुरा देखेंगे, ना बुरा कहेंगे। हम बुरा ना सुनेंगे और सबकी मदद करेंगे। हम बुरा ना सुनेंगे और सबकी मदद करेंगे। हम बुरा ना सुनेंगे और सबकी मदद करेंगे।
On the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti, I will be presenting a poem on our father of nation. He lit the freedom's flame, Gandhi was his name. No violence and no gun, but got the job well done. He walked several miles to awaken the suppressed minds. Tolerance and power he offered like a shower. He gave the only most, never asked for any post. He fought till the finish and fulfilled the countryman's wish. He was an undying inspiration, being the father of our nation. Let's preserve what he gave, be wise and brave. Thank you.
All of you. Today I am going to give a speech on Gandhi Jayanti. I offer you peace. I offer you love. I offer you friendship. I see your beauty. I hear your needs. I feel your feelings. My wisdom
wisdom flows from the highest source. I salute the source in you. Let us work together for unity and peace. Thank you.
करेंगे या मरेंगे, do or die.
सुनो सुनो है दुनिया वालों, बापू की ये अमर कहानी। वो बापू जो पूज्य है इतना जितना गंगा माँ का पानी। सुनो सुनो है दुनिया वालों, बापू की ये अमर कहानी। पोरबंदर गुजरात देश में एक ऋषि ने जन्म लिया। माता पिता ने मोहनदास करमचंद गांधी नाम दिया। बचपन खेल कूद में गुजरा, लंदन जाकर विद्या पाई। बैरिस्टर बन अफ्रीका में जाकर अपनी धाक जमाई। लेकिन जो पानी दुनिया में अमर कहाने आते हैं, वो कब माया मोह में फंसकर अपना समय गंवाते हैं। सुनो सुनो है दुनिया वालों, बापू की ये अमर कहानी। अफ्रीका
Gandhiji, 7 principles. 1. Chopra. 2. Orinsa. 3. Brahmaputra. 4. Asteo. 5. Aparigraha. 6. Pratana. 7. Swasthya. Thank you.
মায়ের দেবা মোটা কাপড় মাথায় তুলে নে রে ভাই, দিন দুঃখিনী মা যে তোদের, তার বেশি আর সাধ্য নাই। থ্যাংক ইউ।
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हटा है हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे राह दिखा दे। मेहंदी पहनी राखी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से, साजन का पे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। ओ पल था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे, दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गए। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Good morning everyone, greetings of the day. I, Oishani Chakraborty of class 5 from Pailan World School proudly represent Sunbeam's house as a prefect and wish you all a very happy Gandhi Jayanti Divas 2020. During the pandemic situation where we students are not being able to attend school but are in touch with the academics through daily virtual class sessions, today we, the students of Pailan World School, have arranged a virtual celebration on Gandhi Jayanti. Today, let us commemorate Mahatma Karamchand Mohandas Gandhi, the father of the nation, who is adorably called Bapu. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 at a small town called Porbandar in Gujarat. He devoted his life to India's independence with his principle of non-violence, also known as Satyagraha, meaning peaceful civil disobedience. He fought for the country's independence from the British rule silently. He was a lawyer and had completed his studies on law from United Kingdom in 1888. He fought for racial discrimination when he was in abroad, and after 21 years of his stay in abroad, he came back to India and became one of the most important freedom fighters. Gandhiji, being such a great leader, preferred to wear khadi clothes which were sewed by people in his ashram, which is located in Gujarat, called Sabarmati Ashram, using charka. During the course of struggle for country's freedom, Gandhiji went to jail several times. He led to many important movements such as Quit India, civil disobedience and non-cooperation movement. He also had a protest march called Dandi March where he walked 400 kilometers. On the 2nd of October, every year we honor him by conducting a special program, and this year too will not be an exception. So, let us now enjoy a short program which has been arranged by my house members, the Sunbeamers. Thank you.
माटी पुकारे तुझे, देश पुकारे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। भूले हम राहें, हमें राह दिखा दे, आजा रे अब आजा रे। ऐनक पहने, लाठी पकड़े, चलते थे वो शान से, जालिम कांपे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे। कत्था उनका छोटा सा और सर पर उनकी चाल रे, गबले से पतले से
a message. It must be a message of love. It must be a message of truth. I want to capture your hearts. Let your hearts dance in unison with what I am saying. I shall finish my work. A friend asked yesterday, did I believe in one world? How can I possibly do other? Of course I believe in one world.
Today, I, Chirag Chaudhary of UKG from Pellanville School, Kolkata, take immense pleasure in representing my school as Gandhiji on the occasion of Gandhi Jayanti 2020. Gandhi Jayanti is a national festival in India. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated by remembering the teachings and methods of our father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi. Now, I request our principal sir to say a few words. Thank you.
Good morning, Joint Chairperson Ma'am, Vice Chairperson Ma'am, Directors Sir, teachers, parents and my dear students. As we have come to the end of this Gandhi Jayanti celebrations, I would like to thank each participant, parents and teachers who has worked tirelessly to assemble this so meticulously for us as we remember the father of our nation who taught us to strive for truth and honesty and gain freedom for India from the evils of corruption, disharmony and warfare. Let us pledge to keep these values in mind and protect our motherland, India.